Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need admin privileges and a compatible Windows edition. This is required because disabling Hyper-V changes system components. Once you've saved work and closed virtual machines, open Control Panel, choose Programs, then turn Windows features on or off. You'll see Hyper-V listed. Uncheck its root and all sub-items so the feature is fully removed. Make sure to also uncheck Windows Hypervisor Platform and Virtual Machine Platform if present, because those components interact with Hyper-V and can keep virtualization enabled. Now that Hyper-V and related items are unchecked, click OK to apply changes. Windows will calculate and stage the uninstall. You may see progress bars and a request to restart. Accept that prompt because the change requires kernel-level updates. If Windows asks to schedule a restart, choose Restart Now or schedule a convenient time. Remember, disabling only from Control Panel updates features. It won't remove drivers left by third-party tools, so be prepared to revisit Device Manager if virtualization drivers persist. After reboot, verify Hyper-V is disabled by checking Task Manager's Performance tab or running bcdedit to confirm Hypervisor launch type is off. If Hyper-V still appears or virtual machines fail to run, open an elevated command prompt and run. bcdedit/set Hypervisor launch type off, then reboot again. This forces the hypervisor not to start. Make sure Secure Boot or virtualization settings in firmware aren't re-enabling components. And if problems continue, rerun Control Panel to confirm all Hyper-V checkboxes remained cleared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.